I'm Dr. Manish Samson, Senior Joint Replacement Surgeon and Orthopedic Surgeon at Apollo Hospital, Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore. I come across a lot of patients who have concerns about knee replacement surgeries. I just want to assure them that a properly done joint replacement or a knee replacement surgery it's a very safe surgery in a setup like our hospitals, where we have all possible medical backup system to evaluate them before surgery and see that they go through the procedure in a safe manner with all standard precautions which are taken worldwide. And we see that they are on their feet the very next day, and by third or fourth day they are ready to go home. Knee replacement surgeries are very successful surgeries if they are taken and done at the right time by the right people and in a proper center. We are assuring you that it will give a wonderful result and put them back on their feet like what they were before they were affected by arthritis.